Today, we're taking a completely neglected BMW 335i and transforming it into a clean, powerful machine in just 10 minutes. This car was cheap, dirty, and almost forgotten, but by the end of this video, it's going to look insane. This BMW was sitting for years. The paint? Faded. The engine? Barely running. Interior? Completely worn out. Most people would walk away from this car. But not us. Right finger. Explained simply, this is what we call a project car. Something cheap that needs work, but has big potential. First step, we tear everything down. We remove old parts, clean years of dirt, and bring this car back to life, piece by piece. Right finger explain. Cleaning is the most important step. A clean car helps us see real problems. The heart of the BMW 335i is its twin-turbo engine. We fix leaks, replace worn parts, and bring back the power. Right finger explain clearly. This car uses a turbo. That means more power, but also more maintenance. Now, the transformation begins. We polish the paint, fix scratches, and bring back that deep shine. Right finger explain. Polishing removes small scratches and makes the car look new again. The inside was just as bad, so we cleaned everything, restored the seats, and made it feel like a luxury car again. And just like that, this cheap, neglected car is now a head-turning machine. Right finger. Add excitement. From broken to beautiful. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and watch the next build, because this is just the beginning.